say.
Hey girlfriend, I'm Sade and welcome back to my kitchen where I share home cooked meals for my family of 5, typically from scratch. So today was a really chill day in the kitchen, not a whole bunch going on. I made a big pot of oatmeal for breakfast, and excuse the dishes in the background, I'm saving those for a special little 10-year-old who knew those dishes should have already been washed. But yeah, so I made a big pot of oatmeal for everybody, made myself some Rise coffee. I've really been liking Rise coffee lately. This is my second go around with Rise and I have no complaints. One thing I can say for sure is that it is helping with some tummy issues, and I don't have that harsh afternoon crash like I do with coffee. But yeah, so I made myself some Rise, made babe some green tea. Everybody enjoyed that oatmeal with various toppings. I don't know what my kids ate for lunch. They all found something. And then for dinner, I'll show you what I made for dinner. It was really good though. I had some chicken breast that I already had seasoned and frozen, so I just thawed that out and cooked it. I took some black beans and put them in my brazer, so pretty much braised black beans. I know everything that goes in a brazer does not mean it's braised, but I think I can consider these braised black beans, and they were really, really good, like the best black beans I've ever made. And then I pulled some rice from the freezer from last night. I mean, not the freezer, from the fridge that I cooked last night, and dinner was served, but it was really, really good. Like, I want to run those beans back, and I'm not going to take any more chicken out tonight. Tonight is my oldest son's birthday, and he has requested pizza, so pizza it is.
And you can see it in my eyes, that girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
Girl, can we take a minute just to acknowledge this brazer? It's by Stove, and it was on my wish list for some months, like at least since October, November. It's a collab at Williams-Sonoma with Smitten Kitchen. What is her real name? I think her name is Deb Perlman. If that's not it, I'll put it on the screen. But yes, I wanted this so bad, and then I finally bought it probably about a month and a half ago now, and I've cooked in it just about every day since I purchased it. Am I braising something every day? Absolutely not, but I just love it so much. It's 4 quarts. It's enamel cast iron. It's like a Dutch oven and a skillet had a baby, and it's just so perfect to me. I really, really love it. Now, I know I said I'm not braising things every day, but I think these beans can be considered braised. So as you can see, I took some onion, pepper, a little salt. I sauteed that in avocado oil and then added some garlic paste and added in 2 cans of drained and rinsed black beans. Let it come to a low boil and then put the lid on for like 20-30 minutes. When I tell you the best black beans I've ever made, and I've been making black beans for like 5 or 6 years now, like pretty consistently. But still, I don't know. Last night was just everything I needed to be, and I'm truly ready to run it back. The chicken, if you watched my last video, you saw that I had some fresh chicken in the fridge, and so I just like cleaned it, seasoned it, and put it in the freezer. And then this morning, I just took it out the freezer, let it thaw, and cooked it on this skillet. Well, not the skillet, but this double burner griddle. And I love this too. And I'll link both of my cookware pieces down below. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for hanging out with me in my kitchen. I hope you come back and let me know down in the comments if you have this brazer, if you love it, and what you made for dinner.